Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing the latest smartphones, the Motorola Moto G86, 56 and Moto G75. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. All three mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. Moto G86 comes with P-OLED display, and the Moto G75 and Moto G56 come with IPS LCD display. Hardware features. Moto G75 is powered by the Snapdragon chipset, and the Moto G86 and Moto G56 come with MediaTek chipset. When it comes to the camera features, they offer 3 rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connectivity, HD speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.